Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Okay, thank you very much for doing that. Today we're going to make a little website blocker. So I'm going to start off with an array here called website blacklist. Okay, we're going to put a couple of websites on there in the blacklist. So I'm going to have HTTPS that's going to be www.bbc.com. it's going to be /news. We're going on the blacklist, and we're going to put https yahoo.com. They're going on the blacklist as well. I'm going to create a subroutine called enter website. Okay, we'll just put that down there and print type Perl URL. Okay, and then we're going to go to my scalar URL to get some input off the user. It's going to be equal to standard input. It's going to be chomp scalar URL. Right, so we're going to say if I'm going to use the grep search here, and my iterator is equal to scalar URL. Okay, in the website blacklist, we're going to do something. So if we search through the website blacklist and it comes across a URL on there, we're going to do something. And we're going to print to the user access denied. Okay, access denied. I'll put site on blacklist. Okay, so it's going to be that. And then I'm going to update blacklist. So I'm going to create another subroutine in a second or two. Or else, if that isn't the case, else print it's going to be site not on blacklist. So the site's not on the blacklist. Okay, and all we need to do is start that site with system and then start scalar URL. Right, so we're going to come down here and we're going to create another subroutine called sub update black list. Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, so we're going to do that over here. So we're going to print add website to blacklist. So we can add another website to the blacklist, and that's going to be my scalar URL equal to standard input. So the user will type in a website to add to the blacklist. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to push that. So that's going to be website blacklist. And oh dear, that's going to be the URL. Let's go to the URL. Okay, and then we just say print some output to the user. Currently on blacklist. It's going to be website blacklist. Let's have a look at that. Website blacklist. Okay, website blacklist. Okay. Right, and then we're going to do sleep. We're going to give it a little pause for 3 seconds. And then we're going to go back up to here and we can start the process off all over again. So that's going to be enter website. Okay, now all you have to do is call the program, enter website. Right, I'm sorry if I look a little bit distracted or sound a bit distracted. I'm being bitten to death by mosquitoes here, and it's kind of taking my mind off it a little bit. Anyway, I digress. So here we go, those websites are on the blacklist. Let's just run that. Type in a full URL. So let's type in a URL of a website that's not on the blacklist. So that's going to be https. This is going to be ajan.com. Okay, let's hit enter. Site not on blacklist, and it will take us there. Okay, let's run it again, and let's type in the BBC. Here, the BBC News website. Okay. Let's hit that. Okay, access denied, site on blacklist. Now I've got the option here to add another website to the blacklist, so let's add the last one that we did. https. Let's be ajan. Sorry, that didn't do that properly. https ajan.com. Okay, hit enter. Okay, and it will show me what's currently on the blacklist. So currently on the blacklist, we just expand that a little bit further so you can see it. So there we go, ajan.com is on the blacklist. So let's just try to enter it, shall we? So https medjan.com. Access denied, site on blacklist. So you can add as many sites as you want to the blacklist and it will store it in the array there. So hope you enjoyed that, and as always, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.